today I will discuss about ICT software types and applications. By the way, my name is Giovanna Havana and I'm a student taking the Bachelor of Technology and Livelihood Education major in Industrial Arts. So today I want to talk about something that's really important in the world of technology, software. So what is software? Software is essentially a set of instructions that tells a computer what to do. Think of it as the brain of a computer. Without software, our computers wouldn't be able to do anything. It's what makes them useful and allows us to do all sorts of things, from browser, the internet, to playing games. So how software connects hardware and users? Software acts as a bridge between the physical hardware of a computer and the users. It allows us to interact with the computer in a way that's easy and understandable. For instance, when you click on a button on your screen, the software translates that action into instructions for the hardware to perform. So how to define system software? System software is the foundation of a computer system. It manages and controls the hardware, making sure everything runs smoothly. Examples of system software include operating systems like Windows, MacOS, or Linux, and drivers that allow hardware components to communicate with the computer. The function of system software. System software handles tasks like managing memory, controlling input and output devices, and ensuring the security of the computer. Application software is designed to help users perform specific tasks. It's the software we use for everyday activities. Some examples include web browsers like Chrome or Firefox, word processors like Microsoft Word, and social media apps like Facebook or Instagram. While system software focuses on managing the computer itself, application of software help us accomplish specific goals. The importance of software in various industries. Software is crucial for business, healthcare, education, and many other sectors. It helps automate tasks, improve efficiency, and connect people. How software can be customized? Software can be customized to meet the specific needs. For example, a business might have software tailored to its inventory management system, while a school might use software to manage student records. By thinking about the impact of software on your daily life, software plays a big role in my studies, my hobbies, and my future career. It's essential for communication, learning, and creativity. And that's the end of my blog, and I hope this blog has given you a better understanding